What do our students learn in the middle grades at Spirit of Math? They master a variety of core topics in depth, gaining facility with the relocation property, sign numbers, order of operations, factors, multiples, and primes. They explore rationals, work with ratios, rates, percent, and proportion, and they expand their geometry knowledge to include angle theorems and circle geometry. By their grade 8 year, students are exploring radicals, exponents in algebra, including equations, inequalities, and linear relations. All this is achieved through an approach to learning that keeps high-achieving students engaged. We include cooperative group work in every class so students strengthen their communications, independent thought, and presentation skills. Problem solving continues to be a key way to build resilience and critical thinking, with students working together in pairs and fours and on independent assignments. Spirit of Math drills remain a weekly opportunity to build and maintain speed and fluency with core math skills. And all classes conclude with mental math. This is why we say that our program is about more than just math. It's about learning how to learn, how to face challenges, and how to work with others. And we use it to promote cooperation, inspire confidence, and release the genius in every child.